You've probably used oregano in your cooking, but have you ever used Oregano Essential Oil? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Oregano Essential Oil, how it works, and how to use it safely. Tip: you don't use it in your cooking. So let's talk about how to use Oregano Essential Oil. Oregano Essential Oil is very good at cleaning. We've got a great cleaning recipe linked in the blog post below, so be sure to check that out. Another way to use this oil is topically, so you'll want to dilute it with an essential oil very heavily because oregano can be irritating to the skin, and you can apply it to areas to help soothe them. You can also use oregano in the diffuser. It has a very invigorating smell that can help you stay focused. It does have a very strong smell, so I recommend only using 1 drop in your diffuser and then pair it with some other oils that help complement its aroma. So let's talk about how Oregano Essential Oil works. We know essential oils work because they are made up of tons of natural chemicals created by a plant. And if we look at those chemicals individually, we can see what some of those uses are. The natural chemicals largely making up this oil are carvacol and thymol. These natural chemicals help tell us what a great cleaner this oil is and also its uses in soothing affected areas. So let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. Oregano is very irritating to the skin. We recommend using a very high dilution rate when using this oil. We have a very easy to follow dilution guide that we'll link to in the blog post about this oil. Because this oil can be irritating on the skin and has such a strong smell, we recommend waiting to use this oil for kids aged 10 and up. And again, this is a very strong oil, so we don't recommend using it around cats and dogs. If you have a pet and are using this oil, do so in an open room so that your pet can leave if the aroma distresses them. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie. Click the link in the description box to learn more about this oil.